Step 1 is selection the good seed. Selection the good seed. This stick the right seed. You might see this before. Everyone see already? So this mix with some good and some not. If we really want to grow this crop to get the high yield and strong seedling, we need to choose only the best seed only. Some rice here, they all not really by hand, one by one. They have the technique to select it. Simple technique, but very important. Pre-pot, fresh water, extra water. You know this one? Salt. And yes, fresh egg. The first one we put the fresh egg in the fresh water. Egg sink to the bottom. You see that? But the fresh water could not help us 100% to get the good seed. Some half grain still sink on it. So how we know salty enough? The egg will float it up. After salt egg. We live there by the sea. We use the sea water to select the good seed. But Laos is rockland, as you know. One, two first. To make a sea in the pot. Now you see, ting, they float it up. Like a people swim in the sea, never float because the water more dense with water, right? So and then we know salty enough, and the egg we just take over for lunch with sticky rice. Sticky rice always. No sticky rice, no chili. We could not say a meal. Sticky rice always. So this one, and then add the rice in the pot. Which coming closer, put some rice in the pot. After, I hope everyone can cook rice at home. Yes. Remember every step, I will have the question to ask you back at the end, and also to try the gentleman there to get souvenir from them.
Który się utopi, to nie jest dobry, a który pływa, to jest zły. No właśnie. Laty bym brała to, co się utopiło.
In Laos also about 7-8 years old starts to farm already with the parents to the rice field.
Zaczynają przyjść, mają
12,
7 lat.
right. So now you see some rice sink and some float on the top. You know where is the which part is good seed, sink or float rice good seed? Float rice good seed?
Yeah.
Not really.
I don't
Bobby?
know.
Sink, yes, most of sink. So because the sink one full grain heavier, but the float one not too bad. It's half grain. We can eat, still eat, or prefer to the animals, not strong to grow only. And then wash by fresh water to wash out the salt. Otherwise the salt will destroy the seed, cannot germinate on. This one ready for germinate already. Ready? This one, step 1, how to selection the question so far. Any question to ask about how to get the good seed?
Where do you get the seeds from?
The seed from the last crop. When we harvest, we keep some for the growing.
What makes the lesser float? Like the poor quality? Like
What make it float?
Yeah.
The water, salty water, make it float. Even the half grain also float it up, empty. If you use only fresh water, the half grain still sink to the bottom, and the salty water or the bad one or the empty will float it up. It's really helpful. Already? So before we are going to the step 2, bare feet is the best. Leave your shoe here, and we are going to the rice field. The mud we dip underneath here. Ready?